SSP Health is coordinating the rollout of the coronavirus vaccinations in Hindley in partnership with Wigan CCG, with the cooperation of GP practices in the Hindley Primary Care Network across Hindley, Hindley Green and Ince. Vaccinations for COVID-19 are safe and effective. Millions of people have been given them so far, with very few people experiencing side effects. You will need 2 injections of the vaccine, with the second dose being given around 12 weeks after the first one. Vaccinations will be given to those with an appointment at St Peter's Pavilion on Hurst Street in Hindley, where a vaccination centre has been established. Our team includes GP surgery staff, doctors, nurses and other clinicians who are giving the vaccinations, with our senior team along with admin support organising the process. We also have a range of volunteers supporting the programme who will be on hand at the venue for assistance. St Peter's Pavilion is just off the A577 Wigan Road in the centre of Hindley, and its postcode is WN2 3DN. The centre is COVID secure, which will keep you as safe as possible during your vaccination. It will take about 20 minutes to go through the vaccination process, but if there is a queue, it could be up to an hour. Please attend on your own if you can, as this will reduce the number of people who need to be in the building. But if you need assistance, please bring one other person with you. Do not attend your appointment if you have any symptoms of coronavirus. Please also do not attend if you have had another vaccination within the last 7 days, had a positive coronavirus test in the past 10 days, someone you live with has had a positive COVID test in the past 10 days or coronavirus symptoms, or returned from abroad in the past 10 days. Please contact your GP surgery to cancel your appointment and a new one will be given to you. You must arrive at your appointment time. Please do not arrive too early, as you will have to wait for your turn, and we cannot allow too many people into the building to maintain social distancing. If you do arrive early, please wait outside or in your car. There is a large car park at St Peter's Pavilion. Please wear a coat and other clothing to keep you warm, but loose or short sleeve clothing underneath so that an injection can be given to you quickly and easily. You and anyone assisting you must always also wear a face covering in the building and throughout the vaccination process. Staff will also be wearing masks. At the start of the vaccination process, as you enter the building, you'll be asked about your COVID history and asked to sanitise your hands before your details are checked at the reception desk. You will then have a clinical assessment to discuss any personal health circumstances and to answer any questions you may have about the vaccination. You will then join a queue for the vaccination. Please remember to stay 2 meters apart from everyone else. When it is your turn, you will be asked to go into one of the vaccination areas while the staff member explains about the vaccination. You will then receive your injection. You will usually have the vaccination in your non-dominant arm, so if you are right-handed, it will be put in the top of your left arm. The vaccination is usually painless, but you may experience small discomfort, which in some people can last for a day or 2. You will also be given an appointment for a follow-up injection to complete the vaccination process. Depending on the type of vaccine you are given and whether you have driven to the centre, you may be asked to wait in a seating area for 15 minutes after your vaccination. When it is time to go home, you will then check out and leave through the exit door. Please leave the car park area as soon as possible to allow others to park. Please remember that even after your vaccination, you must still abide by social distancing, hand washing and government restrictions to prevent the transmission of coronavirus. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your usual GP surgery. Thank you for your cooperation.